Hey, what's up everybody? It's Andres and Angel here with A&A Deluxe Detail out of Los Angeles, California. And today we are going to be discussing our packaging and pricing, so stick around.
So guys, what do you do when a customer is asking for like a discount for multiple cars? Do you guys give discounts or no?
Yeah, we're pretty flexible with our prices, especially if they're consistent and on multiple cars.
And how much do you discount them, or does it depend on the customer?
It depends on not the person himself, but on the work that they're looking for, how many cars, etc.
Got it. And have you had to raise your prices, or do you plan on raising them?
Since we started, they have gone up, yes.
Did you lose any customers, or?
No.
No?
But when you pick up customers, you don't get all of them.
So you don't get the customers who are looking for the $20 details, you know?
Do you think that's a good thing, or?
Give or take, I would say it's a little bit of both. It could be good and bad. But for where we're heading, no, because we're not really trying to deal with the $20 details.
Got it. Are there any packages that you'd like to add to your service?
PPF, wrapping,
Even tinting.
tinting. We got our feet wet with tinting.
Very low mechanic service too.
Oh, we change oil, brakes. We even take out nails from cars. If you check out our Instagram, we post that.
What's PPF?
Paint protection film. It's a clear bra. So it actually prevents chips from rocks and scratches.
Oh, dang. And you said you do tinting too?
We have got our feet wet with tinting, yeah. We haven't actually offered it, but we have got our feet wet.
Yeah, and when do you see yourself adding those packages?
When we get a shop, because all those things you need to be in a closed environment.
So a shop that's down the line, or is it sooner? Or?
It's down the line, I'd say. Hopefully sooner if possible.
For sure, you always want to do it as soon as you can, but I would give it a nice year or two.
So guys, what was your customers' reactions when you raised your prices?
So for our clients that have been with us since the beginning, we didn't change them. We kept those prices.
And for people that were other people shocked, or?
We don't really get the reaction a lot because it's a lot of DMs. They're pretty shocked, but the people who know the value of the work aren't.
Yeah. And what packages do you enjoy doing the most? Like working on?
The exterior polishes, those are my favorite. I like working the machine and
ceramic coating.
Ceramic coating, yeah, that's cool.
And how often do you guys do those packages?
I would say
it depends. Yeah. Sometimes we'll have 2 or 3 during the week. Some weeks we'll have none. So it just depends.
Yeah.
So guys, what packages are your most commonly booked packages?
The interior details.
Interior?
Yeah.
How often, like every time you guys go out, it's an interior detail, or?
Yeah, generally.
Most likely.
Yeah. Other than our maintenance clients.
Interior. So that one includes just a basic wash, or?
On the outside, yeah, it's standard on the outside.
And on the inside, it's like thorough vacuum, or?
Shampoo the carpets, brush all the center consoles, the door panels, dash, steering wheel.
So guys, how does your packages and pricing work?
We start at $150 for a detail.
And that's the only package you have?
No, we have a clay and wax, and then if you are a maintenance client, then you get the maintenance prices.
Do you have any add-ons, or?
We have add-ons. You want to shampoo the seats, you want to wax a ceramic coat, polish, headliner. Those are all add-ons.
Cool. So when a customer approaches you, you just hit them with it's $150, and if you want to add something else, we just tell them,
is there anything? Well, first of all, most of the time they kind of ask you, or they tell you what they want, and then you can also ask them, are they looking for anything in specific? And they say, oh, my headliner is this, I have a couple stains on the seat. So then you work with them.
All right, there you guys have it. That's how we price our packaging. Let us know if you have any advice in the comments below. If we're pricing too low, we're pricing too high, maybe we should add this, or just help us out.
If you guys want to continue to follow our journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, like he said, and follow us on Instagram at A&A Deluxe Detail. We hope you guys have a good one.
Peace.